Hey guys, there's another vlog coming from Costco, guys. I'm just gonna pick up some beef, some fish, and then some chicken. Depends. I only got about $150, so I'm just gonna try and work on that budget today. Yeah, I don't want to service fish that we have in the house. It's not good. I don't like it. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you around the store while you're talking. You don't have to keep looking at me. I'm just gonna go to the meat section, just pick up my meat, fish, and I'm out. I'm gonna go back and do some more editing so I can upload my video that I did this morning. So I'm trying to do my videos in the morning and then try to post them like in the evenings. So you don't have to wait for like 2-3 days. So you'll pretty much get it right away. I like it like that too. So it's like one and done. Look at the price of the beef.
这个羊汤到特别渴了，我看那都可腻歪了。哦，对，对对。
Oh, das spicy okay, so ein Steak, das war einfach.
Kind of a good 8 filet mignon for like $38. Got bacon wrap. I'm gonna go for that. So $30 for chicken, 24, 35 for the shrimps, 38, 40 filet mignon, 60, 68, 71, 91. Yeah, I don't buy a few more. I don't know. Let me see. Oh, I need to get a fish. Should I get salmon?
215. And the two?
Let me see if I can find something else. Maybe tilapia. Hey guys, they're like tilapia. They're like good, I don't know, like maybe 15, 16 portions. Yeah, I want to get that. And then I may look for like another brand to make some salmon. Oh, I need to buy some vegetables. That's it. That's all I need. I think I'm gonna go get my vegetables, and then you're good. Yeah, so that's just cover up the 150. Yeah, we're good. Let's see if I can get that.
Over.
I'm gonna get this frozen ones. They're already peeled. These ones I'm gonna have to peel them. It's like only 24. That's like $8 there. this helps. Maybe next week when I come in. Alright guys, I think I got everything that I need. But some these ones I'm gonna drop them off. So I got like some tilapia that I'm gonna use for dinner tonight. Tilapia. I got like some 8 filet mignon. I have 10, but one of them is a vegetarian. So I'm gonna use it on a day. Hopefully this one goes short. I got some chicken breast. So I got some few more chicken in there. Yeah, so this is the replacement of the mushrooms. This is better actually. $16 frozen. Yeah. I'm just gonna go to my cash out and I'm just gonna have to stop by for maybe I'll do the vegetables tomorrow. I think I got enough vegetables for tonight. Yeah. Let me just do my cash out and then I get away. It's not too bad. I got pretty much everything. Got enough meat for the week. Yeah, I can't use the fish that the other guy buys. It's garbage fish. A fish is for like $5, $10, and you get like what 5 fillets. And it's so watery. I gotta put in so much wood to make use of that fish. And still not good. Alright, let me do my cash out. Oh, hey there. If I want to return this, can I give it to you? Sorry, I was...
You didn't scan it?
No.
Please begin scanning. Please wait. Help is on the way. Please wait. Your transaction is being voided. Please remove all scanned items. Please begin scanning. 38, 49. Place your item in the tray. 699.
Vanuatu.
34, 46. 30, 34. Place your item in the tray area. Follow the instructions on the pin pad. Thank you for shopping at Costco. Please remove all scanned items.
Yes, I got all my items. 4 items for the weekend. It's $120.26. I think it's a pretty good deal. Good for 10 people. 10.
You're good people? You are good people?
Yes. Thank you. Alright guys, I'm just heading to my car. Alright, and look out for my show tonight, just coming out at 4 o'clock. And you have a good one.